I am Aligir Lingappa, Assistant Professor in Physics. Today is my chapter Oscillations. Now I will discuss about some of the problems related to the chapter Oscillations. So let us consider the first one. You see the question of the problem. The displacement equation of a body executing simple harmonic motion is y is equal to 0.02 sine of 100 pi into t plus 0.005. So here y is equal to 0.02 sine 100 of pi t plus 0.005. That means the so-called displacement equation, where y is the displacement of the body at an instant of time t. Then you calculate the amplitude, time period, maximum velocity and the displacement at the time of the start of the motion. So this is the given problem. So first, all of you think first what they given, what they asking. First list out the quantities what they given and what they asking. So now we will discuss about the solution of the problem. Then consider the general equation of a simple harmonic motion is y is equal to a into sine of omega t plus pi. The given equation is y is equal to 0.02 sine of 100 pi into t plus 0.005. So, general equation and given equation. Then comparing general equation with a given equation, then amplitude of the wave which is given by a is equal to 0.02 meter, angular frequency omega is equal to 100 pi, but we know that the time period t is equal to 2 pi by omega, angular frequency omega is equal to 2 pi by t, then t is equal to 2 pi by omega, then 2 pi by 100 pi, where omega is given, omega is equal to 100 pi. Here pi get cancel each other, then after simplification we will get 0.02 second. So time period. Then the velocity of the body at the displacement y is given by v is equal to omega into root of a square minus y square. This is the velocity possessed by the body which executing simple harmonic motion, so called oscillatory motion. When y is equal to 0, the velocity is a maximum. That means the velocity is a maximum at the mean position. Velocity is a minimum at extreme position. As the body moves from a mean position to extreme position, its velocity goes on decreases. As it moves from extreme position to mean position, its velocity goes on increases. That means the velocity of an oscillating body is a maximum at mean position and minimum at extreme position. So at a mean position y is equal to 0. The displacement of an oscillating body is 0. Therefore, the maximum velocity V maximum is equal to omega A. In the above expression, put y is equal to 0, then that term becomes say 0, then V is equal to omega root of A square, and finally removing square root, then we will get V maximum is equal to omega A. Then V maximum which is equal to 100 pi into A. So 0.02 then which is equal to 6.28 meter per second, so called the maximum velocity possessed by an oscillating body at its mean position. Then the displacement of the body at the time of start, so that means when t is equal to 0, is given by y is equal to 0.02 sine of 100 pi t plus 0.5 pi. Then further, after simplification, you will get 0.02 sine of 0.5 pi. Then further 0.02 sine of pi by 2, where sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 0.02 into 1, which is equal to 0.02 meter, so called displacement of the body at the time of start. So amplitude, time period, maximum velocity, and the displacement of the body at the time of start when t is equal to 0. Now let us discuss about the second problem. The acceleration of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is 10 meter per second at a distance of 2 meter from the mean position. Then calculate its time period and frequency. So where acceleration given a is equal to 10 meter per second at a displacement y is equal to 2 meter, then what is time period and what is frequency? Then acceleration is given by a is equal to omega square y. Then omega square is equal to a by y, which is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Then omega is equal to root 5. So called angular frequency, which is equal to root 5. Then calculate, that means find out what is the value of time period. Omega is equal to 2 pi by t, then the time period t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Then 2 into 3.142, where pi value 3.142 divided by where omega, so root 5. Then which is equal to 6.28 by 2.236. Then finally we will get t is equal to 2.808 second time period. Then a frequency. We know that the relation between a frequency and a period, f is equal to 1 by t, which is equal to 1 by 2.808. Then we will get 0.3561 hertz. That means the frequency of an oscillating body, the body which is executing simple harmonic motion. Then the third problem, a body of mass 2 kg executes a simple harmonic motion with an amplitude of 0.5 meter and time period of 6 seconds. Calculate the velocity and kinetic energy of the body when its displacement is 0.4 meter. So that means the given problem. Then what about its solution? So here given a mass is equal to 2 kg. Amplitude is also given, a is equal to 0.5 meter. So then a period which is equal to 6 seconds. Then calculate about its velocity and kinetic energy. The instantaneous velocity of a body that executing a simple harmonic motion is given by v is equal to omega root of a square minus y square, where omega is equal to 2 pi by t. Therefore, v is equal to 2 pi by t root of a square minus y square, which is equal to 2 into 3.142, where pi value is 3.142 divided by t given 6, root of a square, so 0.5 square minus y square 0.4 square. So then we will get 3.14 by 3 or root of 0.25 minus 0.16. Again V is equal to 3.14 by 3 root of 0.09 which is equal to 0.314 meter per second. Then the second one, kinetic energy of the body at this instant is given by Ek which is equal to half mv square which is equal to half into 2 into 0.314 square which is equal to 0.0986 joules. So called the energy possessed by a body of mass 2 kg which executing simple harmonic motion. So then next problem, say fourth problem. A particle executing a simple harmonic motion with a frequency of 20 Hz and amplitude 0.5 meter. Find the maximum value of acceleration of the particle. Then what about the solution of the problem? Here given f frequency is equal to 20 Hz and amplitude A is equal to 0.5 meter. Then calculate what about the maximum acceleration of the particle. So what we know that the body which is executing to and fro motion, oscillatory motion, which moves from mean position to extreme position, then extreme position to mean position. As the body which moves from mean position to extreme position, its velocity goes on decreases, whereas the acceleration increases. Change in velocity increases. That means, as the body moves from mean position to extreme position, the acceleration of an oscillating body goes on increases. As the body which moves from extreme position to mean position, the acceleration of an oscillating body gradually decreases. So, a body which possessed maximum acceleration at extreme position and minimum acceleration at mean position. The body which executing simple harmonic motion which possessed maximum acceleration at extreme position and minimum acceleration at mean position. So, then we know that T is equal to 1 by F, the relation between period and frequency, which is equal to 1 by 20, where F is given, then which is equal to 0.05 seconds. So, period, that is the time taken by the body to complete one oscillation. Then consider equation A is equal to minus omega square y. This is the expression for acceleration of a body which executing simple harmonic motion, where the negative sign which indicates that the direction of acceleration is always towards the mean position. Then at extreme position y becomes A amplitude. That means the maximum displacement of the body from its mean position is known as amplitude. The distance between a mean position and extreme position is equal to amplitude. At a mean position or at extreme position, the displacement of the body, so y is equal to A. Then A is equal to omega square small a is equal to omega square into capital A. Here small a that indicates acceleration, capital A indicates amplitude. And neglecting a negative sign, then omega is equal to 2 pi by t, which is equal to 2 into 3.142 by 0.05, then which is equal to 125.68. Then substituting the values of omega and a in the above equation, then a is equal to omega minus omega square a, which is equal to neglecting negative sign because of which indicates direction. Then omega square 125.668 whole square into 0.5. Then after simplification we will get 7,897.73 meter per second square. So called the acceleration of a particle which executing simple harmonic motion. So fifth one, the amplitude of a particle which executing a simple harmonic motion with a frequency of 50 Hz is 0.04 meter. Then determine the maximum value of acceleration of the particle. Given F is equal to 50 Hz, A is equal to 0.04 meter and small a to determine what about the acceleration, that means a particle which executing simple harmonic motion. Then A is equal to omega square y, we are neglecting a negative sign, where y which can be replaced by A, then which is equal to omega square A, where A is the amplitude and omega is equal to 2 pi f. Then A is equal to omega square A, which is equal to 2 pi f whole square, where omega which can be replaced by 2 pi f. So then 2 pi f whole square into A, which is equal to where pi value 2 into 3.142 into given f, so 50. 2 into 3.14 into 50 whole square into 0.04. Then after simplification we will get A is equal to 3944 meter per second. So the maximum value of acceleration of the particle which executing a simple harmonic motion with a frequency of 50 Hz and amplitude 0.04 meter. So the solution of the equation, that means problem 5. Thank you.